played cards. It was 1904. A small pinochle tournament outside Tucson, Arizona. And pinochle was a new game. It was a really new game. 1904 at the time, I mean, I was pretty hot. There was another man sitting next to me, and, well, there was this man who happened to be my husband. I gave up on wedding vows long before this time. You know, he was giving me the eye, and I could just feel the chemistry, you know, when you get working with someone, and he just started winking, and we ended up listening to some music, and just, you know, playing some pinochle of our own. If you know.
I think that's great. That was a good